Okay guys, so I want to show us how to build a simple sales page for the promotion of our products. And in order for you to be able to optimize your ads, like I said before, you need a website. You need a website. So if you are already into Facebook ad, that means you already have your website. But if you are just starting out to run your Facebook advert, then this is why I'm just giving this as a bonus for you to know how to run your Facebook's for you to be able to know how to run Facebook advert and then build your website. Now, if maybe you don't know how to do this, please watch the previous videos that I have made, all right, before you get to this place. So this is your back end, like we said before. You've installed your WordPress site, you've bought your domain, and then you've paid for your hosting. So I'm going to enter my username. Okay, I'm going to enter my username. Now this username is for me to have access to the back end. All right, so I'll enter and then I click on login. So once I click on login, automatically it will open the back end of my website. This is the back end of my website. All right, this is the back end of my website. Now remember, we have already installed our pixel. We have already verified our domain. Everything is set. It's just for us to build our website. All right, so I'm going to show us how to build a simple website. So once you are here, what you need to do is to come to your plugins. All right, come to the plugins here. Come to plugins. Okay, come to plugins. Come to plugins here. So once you come to plugins, you click on it. All right, once you click on plugins, you see two drop downs: install plugins and add new. Simply go to what? Add new. Click on add new. So once you click on add new, it will open up. Then once it opens up, all right, it will show you an access for you to search for what? A plugin. All right, so all you need to do is once it opens, you just come down here. Let me close this. So you come down here and click on upload what? Plugin. Click on what? Upload what? Plugin. All right, so once you click on upload plugin here, it will open up. So I'm going to show us the plugins that we are going to upload. I'm going to make it available. I'm going to drop it for you free of charge. All right, so once you click on plugin, the network, if it's fast, it will open up. So let us wait for it to open. It's still opening. All right, it's still opening. It's still opening. Okay, so normally it might, once you click on this upload plugin, it might come up at this end or it might come down here. So all you need to say, if you have a plugin in a .zip format, you may install or update it by uploading it what? Here. All right, so if you are searching for plugin, you will search for plugin here. Let me quickly close all this. All right, so that you can see this is how it's supposed to come up. All right, so I've closed all those stuff. So this is where it's supposed to pop up and not below. All right, so once you come to install plugin and plugins, click on what? Add new. This interface will come out. So once this interface comes out, all you need to do is to choose the file to upload. All right, if you have a plugin in .zip format, you may install or upload it here. So I'll click on choose file to upload. So once I click on choose file to upload, I'll go to where I have my plugin. Then I will install this plugin, Always Lego Pro. I will install it what? First. All right, let me install it first. So let me install it. Click on it. It will enter here. All right, it will pop up here. So once you click on this place, all right, once you click here, once you click, this opens up. You click on it so that the file you want to enter will come inside here, and then you click on what? Open. So that's what I've done. Let me also start afresh. All right, let me start afresh. So I say you should come on what? Let me click on dashboard so that I'll start afresh, so you don't get what? Confused. All right, this is our WordPress site. This is our WordPress site. That's the back end of our WordPress site. All right, this is the front end. This is the front end of the WordPress site. So whatever we are building now, you will see it will be, if this is the back end, we are building it here. Let me bring this here. This is the back end. Not once we start building, this is the front end, which is digicreator.com.ng. This is the back end, digicreator.com.ng/wp-admin/. You understand? So anything we build here, if I refresh this place, it will be showing up. All right. So let's proceed. Let's proceed. So this is the back end, guys. So come to plugins, click on what? Add new. All right. Click on what? Add new. So once you click on add new, it will open the interface just like before. I just started afresh. It will open up the interface. If your network is what? Fast, it will open up very, very what? Fast. All right. So I'll be pausing this video so I don't waste much time. So once it opens up, and then we will proceed. All right. We'll proceed. So it has opened. So once it has opened, So once it opens, this is the interface you will see. All right. So all you need to do is to what? Click on upload what? Plugin. You click on upload plugin. This interface will come out. All right. So once this interface comes out, sorry guys. Once this interface comes out, you click on choose file. So I'm going to choose on this Always Lego Pro. That is the first plugin. The first plugin I want to install. I'll click on it. Once I click on it, it enters here. All right. Once it enters here, I'll click on what? Open. So once I click on open, you can see the file is now here. I'll click on what? Install. I'll click on what? Install. And this plugin will automatically be installed on my WordPress site. So it's saying installing plugin from Ubrify. So it has said plugin installed successfully. So once you still see this plugin installed successfully, the next thing you need to do is to what? Click on what? Activate what? Plugin. I'll click on activate what? Plugin. Click on activate plugin. So I've successfully installed the Always Lego Pro. So you can see it is now what? Here. It wasn't here before. All right. It wasn't here before. So I've installed this. So the next thing I need to do is to install another plugin known as Thrive Architect. All right. So I'm going to also add new. All right. Here, that is come to plugin, come to add new. So I'm going to what? Add new. So I'm going to add new. So once I click to add new, I click on upload plugin. I click on upload plugin. Then I choose file, and then I will click on install this plugin, Thrive Architect. I will make it available, right? I click on it, and then I click on what? Open. Then once is here, it's a .zip file. I'll click on what? Install. I'll click on what? Install. So it's loading up. It's loading up. So let's just allow it to load up, guys. Let me pause this and allow it to load up. So once it loads up, it will show us that it's successfully installed. Then we also what? Activate. All right. We also what? Activate. Okay. So our Thrive Architect has been installed successfully. So next thing for us to do is to click on activate plugin. All right. You just click on activate plugin. You can see plugin updated successfully. You understand? So once the plugin has been uploaded successfully, you just click on what? Activate what? Plugin. All right. Okay, so we have successfully activated it. We have successfully activated the plugin. As you can see, showing a plugin activated. So if we go this side now to this side, you can see the Thrive Architect. Look at the Thrive. We have updated Thrive. We have installed Thrive, sorry, and also the Always what? Lego Pro. So once that is done, the next thing for you to do is to start building your what? Your page. Remember that this is the front end. If we refresh this front end, it's still showing this stuff. So we will start creating our site right now. So go back to your back end. I'm going back to my back end, and then to create a sales page, all you need to do is to come to these pages. All right, come to these pages. Once you hover your mouse on these pages, you will see what? Add new. All right, click on what? Add new. Click on what? Add new. So once you click on add new, it will open up. All right, my network is somehow slow. and it's somehow affecting me. So once you click on add new, what happens? You will see add title. Add title will come up. So what is the title? What title do you want to give the sales page? So I'm going to call it FALAP. Let me just write it in small letter. F.A. Facebook ads like what? A pro. All right. So once you do that, name your page whatever it is you want to name your page. All right. Once you finish naming it, the next thing you need to do is to go to publish. All right. Go to publish and do what? Publish it. Click on what? Publish. Once you click on publish, this will pop up. Click on that publish what? Again, it will start. As you can see over here, it has said page what? Publish. Page what? Publish. So once that is written, once this is written, you are ready to, it is live. The page is live. So this is the page. If I copy this page now, if I copy it and paste it here, if I copy it and paste it here, this is the page. If I copy it and paste it here, this is the URL. That is the page. That is the page which you will use in running your advert. I'm clicking on it. I've copied and pasted. As you can see, this is how it is. This is the main site itself, but this is the sales page. All right. Remember that this is the sales page we published. I copied it and I pasted it here. Let me show you. I pasted it here. Now this is the site. So once you copy this is what you use to run your Facebook advert. All right. So once you publish, the next thing for you to do is to click on this Launch Thrive Architect. Click on it. Click on it. It will open on a new tab. So once it opens, just follow me gradually. All right. Once it opens, this will pop up and then boot and then open. All right, it will boot and open. So what we are going to do is we are going to use templates that has already been built. You're not going to build site from the scratch. No, you're going to build using already pre-built template. So once this pops up, don't click this. Don't click normal page. Click on pre-built landing pages where you have over 200 pre-built landing pages. Click on it. So once you click on it, it will open landing pages which you can select. As you can see, saying that you have 172 smart landing page and then 205 legacy landing page. So let us look at these smart landing pages. So all you need to do is to take time, all right, go through this and see the landing page that works for you. You just customize, all right. All you need to do is just customize. So let me quickly go through this. It says consultants smart, copy smart. Let me look at it. Bright. Let me look at something that I would like. Online course. All right. Okay. Let me go over. Follow me guys. So this now has about 13 pages. This one has 7 pages. This one has 4 pages. So let me click on expand here. This one. Okay, let me go to legacy landing page. Let me go to legacy landing page and see if I will see something better. All right. Let me go to legacy landing page and see if I will see something better. Just click on it. Click on this legacy landing page. Let me see if I will see something better. All right. So this is a one-page site. Okay. All right. This is where the job is. So take time. Go over and then choose something that works for you. All right. Something that is very easy. All right, for you to work on. Okay. Something that is very easy for you to work on. So let me just expand this. Let me just expand this review page. If you expand it, you will see pages there. You will see pages, and then you can choose whichever one you want. So without wasting much of our time, let me choose this review video recommended page. So once I click on this now, I click on it, it will bring out apply template. All right, I click on apply template. So it is this template now that we are going to customize. All right, it is this template that we are going to customize to build our website. Now, before you build your website, you must have written your sales copy. You must have written your sales copy, what you want people to see. If there are video testimonials, you must have written down your video testimonials and the rest of it. Okay, so right now I can come here and then I'll begin to customize this. All you need to do is, all this stuff, they are editable. Come here, this discover, I can say introducing. You can see as simple as it's introducing the Facebook ads like a pro course. All right, that is just it, guys. So you highlight this and the word backspace, delete. All right, so that is just it. There is no two ways about it. Then this one, I'm deleting it. All right, then if I highlight this now, I can reduce the font size. How do I reduce that? I come here, as you can see, say font size. I come here, I reduce the font size. I reduce the font size. I want it to be in single, so I reduce the font size. I reduce it to 39 pixels. All right, so introducing the Facebook ads like a pro course. Now, if I have any video, all right, if I have any video about the course, all I need to do is just click here. All right, once you click on it, once you click on that video, it will show you that you should add a video. So before this, you need to host your video on YouTube. You need to host your video. You need to upload your video to YouTube. Don't upload your video directly. It will give your site heavy load. So always host your video on YouTube. Then simply copy the link and then come and paste it here. So I'm going to remove this link. Then I'm going to go over to YouTube and then copy one of my videos. I'm going to YouTube to copy one of my videos. I'm going to YouTube to copy one of my videos, right? It's opening. My network, like I said, so let me close this. So I'm going to YouTube, I copy one of my videos. Let me copy here, click here, get shareable link. I've copied it. Then let me come down here. And then I paste this video here, this URL, I paste it here. Once I paste it there, I come down, you will see save work here, save work. Always make sure, you say cannot get the video ID from the uploaded, it has, okay, it's saving. So once it saves, the video will show up, all right? So it's still saving. Once it saves, it will show me that it has saved. So like as you can see, it has saved. So what do? Let me go over to the front page. This is the front page. Let me refresh. You see, as you are building it, as you can see, introducing the Facebook ads like a pro. Okay, this video did not display. The video is private. Okay, the video is private. Let me go back and get another video. Get shareable link. Then come over. All right, let me paste it here. I know why that video did not work. Let me save it. All right, let me save it. The video will pop up. All right, now let me go over to the front end. Here. Let me refresh. So once you refresh, as you can see, it's supposed to pop up. Let me refresh. The video is supposed to show. I don't know why it's not showing, but hold on. Okay, let me save it again. As you can see, the video has shown here, but let us continue building our site. That one is not a problem. I'll get it done. All right, so now what you need to do right now is to start writing all these things. You edit them. All right, you edit, you remove. That is all you just need to do. You understand? If you have any what's it called, any picture, like if I click here now, it says replace image. I'll click on replace image. Let me go to media files and see if I can get any file. All right, let me see if I can get any file. Hold on. Okay, I've just added let me go back, click this picture, then you see replace here, click on replace, then click on what, upload, select file, upload. So I'm going over here, I'm going to select this file, and then click on open. So it will automatically load up. It will automatically load up. Once it loads up, you click on it, and then come here and click on what, insert. It will replace this. As you can see, it has replaced it, right? I'm just showing us it has replaced it. The next thing you do is you click on what, save. So make sure you're saving what, your work. Make sure. So this is just how to build a simple sales page. You save your work. If you come over to the front end and then you refresh, you see that what you are doing will start what, reflecting. As you can see, the video has reflected. All right, so this is it. You can see the picture we added has reflected. I'm just showing us. I won't do this kind of a thing. I will always remove the back side and then put nice picture. I'm just showing us. So what you are building is simply what, showing up. Let us go back. All right, so go back. I would like to reduce the size of this image. Come here. All right, you see here, you see where my mouse is, drag it in. All right, drag it in. You're reducing it. All right, you save. Then your sales copy, you begin to write your sales copy. What do you want the content of the book to be? All right, what do you want the content of the book to be? Now you can begin to write. Maybe you have your your sales copy already written down, introducing, you understand, introducing the simple Facebook ad course. Now don't begin to write this when you want to build your site. Always get your sales copy ready, you understand, so that you write a compelling sales copy. Remember, this is what people will see that will convince them to buy your course, you understand. All right, introducing the simple Facebook ad course like never before. I'm just writing all this, all right, like never before. So you must have to get your sales copy ready. If you want to remove this, you just come here, hover your mouse. Once you hover your mouse, you see what, delete. You see what, delete. You delete it. As you can see, if you delete it, now you copy all this. All right, copy all this. You want to center it, just come here and center it. So just take your time. All right, then if you highlight all this, you want to increase the font size. All right, you want to increase the font size of your sales copy. So everything you are doing, make sure you're saving your work. Whatever you don't like, you just simply come here you just simply come here and do delete it and delete. All right, delete. You just want to build a simple sales page for your course. Just want to build a simple sales page for your course. Now maybe you want to add a picture. You've written something. Okay, you have written some, just time you have written, and then you want to put testimonials. All you need to do is you come here. All right, come here, click here. You will see drop downs. You can see this is for test. If you want to add test, image, you want to add a button, you want to add content box. So if this image, I want to add image as a testimonial, just click on it, drag it and come out. You can see below test, I'll put it here. So once I put it there, it will automatically open the image button for me to select image. I'll simply go to upload and then select file, and then I want to put testimonial that I've gathered. I just click on this and then click on open. Once it loads, what do? You click on it. Let's wait for it to load. You click on it. It has loaded. You click on it. Once you click on it, you come to insert. Click on insert post. Automatically this post, that is your testimonial, will be inserted. All right, your testimonial will be inserted. Remember, you save your work. You save work. Now this is just all you have to do. Gently, the ones you don't like, you don't want, you just remove all this. You click on this, delete. All right, You click on what this. You have to be very creative. Like this now, I will leave this if I'm building this sales page. I will leave this because this makes it beautiful. You understand? I will leave this. Now, I've added the image. I've clicked on what? Save work. I hope it's saved. The network is very, very poor. Then if you come to the front end and then what? You refresh. I'm coming to the front end and I'm refreshing. You can see that everything I'm doing will now be coming up. As you can see, this is the testimonial. This one is the testimonial. All right. So your call to action is also very important. Your call to action. Now, if there is no call to action, I will show you how to put call to action. Remember that this is a button here. Maybe you want to just click on it. Just click on it. You can edit it. Click on it. You can say get course now. Get course now. All right. So once you click on that get course now, you need to put a link on this call to action so that when someone clicks on it, if you want to run your advert from Facebook to WhatsApp, you now put the link here. If it is what is online payment, you put the online link of your payment button here. You understand what I'm saying? So maybe you want to run this advert from your Facebook to your website, from website to your site, to your WhatsApp, because you are using the website to gather information in order to retarget. That means you want them, after reading, they come to your website, to a WhatsApp. All you need to do is to, you see here I'm clicking, click on it. You will see action button will come up this side. Click below. You will see target URL. This is where you will paste. So let me quickly create a WA URL. WA.create. All right, WA.create. I want to create something. Let me say come down. Put your phone numbers 7010266171. All right. You say hello. This is how we do it. Hello DG Creator. I want to purchase your FALAP course that I saw on Facebook. All right. So your automated message has to be what you want your customers to see when they click on that link. So once you do that, you just come here and click on what? Generate one link. Remember, this is the site create.wa.link. Just do what I did and then you generate link. Copy the link. Copy. I've copied it. I will go back and then come to this target URL. I will paste it and then I click on what? Save work. All right. You have multiple events that are triggered on click. Okay, this is just network error. I'm clicking on saving it to go through. Once it's saved, all right, we'll go to our front end. Go to your front end and then refresh and test what you are doing. Refresh and test what you, so you can see. Let's go down. So once someone clicks on this get course now, once someone clicks on this get course, okay, it's saying sign up now and get your awesome product on email. No, let me go back. Let me go back. Let me go back. Now this is it has email option. I'm going to remove that. I'm going to remove that. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to delete this. All right. Then I'm going here. All right. Click here and then go to button. Click on button. I'm going to drop button here. All right. I'm going to drop button here. Let me come here and choose my button template. Click here. Choose my button template. Like I said, my network is bad. As you can see, all these things are not opening. And it's really, really frustrating me. Okay. So I want to use these. It's supposed to bring out templates for me. Let me click this template. And then what do I do now? I say get course now. All right. Get course now. I'm just showing you how to build a simple sales page. Get course now. All right. Get course now. So I want to bolden this, highlight it, and then come here. What? Bolden it. Okay. It's bolded already. So if you want to change the color, maybe you don't like the color, you can simply also highlight. Come over here. You see this color, and maybe change it to, maybe you want it to be what? Red or something. You just click on red and then click on what? Apply. So it will change to what? Red. So if you, what you need to do right now, I'm going back to copy this link. I'm going back to copy this link. I'm going back to copy my WA link. All right, I'm going, let me close this. Generate link. Let me generate the link and then copy. So let me copy it. I go back and then just over your mouse, you see this plus sign will come out. Click on it and then target URL. Make sure nothing is there. You paste. If this is ticked, untick it, because if you tick it, it will open in a new tab once the person clicks this. I don't like it. So untick it and then click on what? Save. All right, click on save. So the first option that came out is if you want to do email marketing, you want to collect emails. You understand? But what I'm just teaching here is just to build a simple word sales page. So let me come over and then let me refresh. You see this button will change. It will no longer be this button again. It will change. You can see get cost now. If you click on it, what will come out is the automated message. Hello Digi Creator, I want to purchase your. So once the person clicks on continue chat, the person comes to your DM directly. That is just it, guys. You understand? That is just it. Then you come back, you can click here, best offer, or you say get offer, whichever one. You just, is free for you to customize. You click on what? Save. Come up. So this is just how to do it. You know, if you have more videos, you want to add more videos, you understand, just customize this page, customize all these, write your testimonials, compelling sales copy. If you now want to add maybe something like more videos, just come here, click it. All right, you can see this is test. If you want to add a test, you just click on it, come here, just click on it. Sorry, let me close it, showing me something. Look at it. If you want to add test, just come here. You can see it say below image. You click on it and then drop it and then type. All right, you begin to type your stuff. If you want to put it on the center, you highlight. All right, you highlight and put it what? On the center, whichever way you want to do it. All right, and then you what? Save. All right, then you want to add video. Remember that this video icon was here by the template you use. Now you want to add a video, also come here. This icon, once you click on it, you will see the things you want to add, everything you want to add. If you want to add countdown, all right, you can add countdown. So I want to add video. You just scroll down, look for video. You see video here, click on it, drag it, just drag it. You're saying above content box, I'll drop it here. So once you drag it and stop and it drops here, all you need to do is just to go over to this place and drop the video test and put the video URL. Let me go over and get another video from my YouTube channel. All right, just get this. Let me click on this, click here, get shareable link, and then come back to the site. Sorry guys, come back and then you paste it here. So make sure that here, if your video is hosted on YouTube, you see this icon, make sure it's on YouTube. All right, make sure not another source. We have Vimeo, Wipstar. These are all platforms you can use. I use YouTube and Vimeo. If you want to upload directly, you can upload directly, but don't do that. You'll be slow your site down. As you can see, I dropped it, the video displayed immediately. All you need to do is what? Click on save. But I want to reduce this video. Let me reduce it. All right, let me reduce it. Once you reduce it, then click on what? Save. Click save. So once you click on save and your work is saved, make sure you say all changes saved. Let me also come to the front end, refresh. Let me refresh, guys. Yeah, I know this video is getting lengthy, but that is just it. Let me click on refresh. You can see, all right, you can see everything is working, as you can see. So if I click on this right now, automatically it will. So congratulations. You understand? That is just it. Now you come back here, to your main page. Now this page here, I want to put it on center. All right, click here, then come over to this place, scroll down, you see this image and effects, click on it. No, leave it. Layout and position, click this drop down, layout and position, then click center, this center. All right, and this stuff will be on center. So if you want to move it to the left, just click here. You can see it's moving. Click here, it's moving. All right, I moved it, and then you click on what? Save. You click on what? Save. Now coming down here, there are responsive modes. So if you want to see how what you're doing will be on the mobile phone, always you come here and click on mobile. This is how it will be on mobile phone. So always check it on mobile. All right, check it on mobile. As you can see, this is out. I will change it. I will come here and make sure it's on this at the center. All right, and make sure it's at the center. Make sure it's at the center. All right. Good. And then I click on what? Save. All right. Remember, all these things are write up. So you have to write a compelling sales word copy. So look at the way it will be on the smartphone when someone sees this advert. All right. When someone sees this video ad. So if you don't like the size of it, you can also increase it a little bit. This is it. You come here, you drag. Sorry, you drag. Okay, once you're on video, okay, let's go back to here, laptop mode. Let's increase it a little bit. On the phone mode, it will not allow you. Come here, increase it a little bit, save, click on your save. All right, click on your save, guys. Then you go to here, look at it. If you don't like it, you also go back and increase it. So this is how it will be when someone looks on the sees this on the smartphone. So here you can just be creative. Be creative. You can say the best all right, Facebook ad course. Just Facebook ad course, or the baddest Facebook ad course, whatever. You remove this, click this, remove it, and then make sure this is on the center, and then you come over to this place, this main options, click on it, and then come to this size, reduce the size. All right, reduce the size. Okay, this is good for me, and then bolden it. You can see, then you click on what? Save. So you just have to be what? Creative. You just have to be what? Creative. I might use this template to run my Facebook. That's to build the sales page for this course. And then you see, when you see the advert, it will be what? Very, very what? Nice. So this is just it. How to do is now you can preview. Preview simply means you see how it is, how someone will see the course, the sales page. Sorry. Click on preview. Click on preview. This is how. The reason why you're seeing all this is because you're at the admin. So all this will not appear when the person is seeing it. So this is it. All right. You see, very beautiful. As you can see now, looking at this, is very beautiful, right? Someone clicks here, boom, the person gets what? The course. Now, if you also this let me go back here to the laptop mode. Click here. Now, this stuff now you can also channel. If you have, maybe you have seller, you have a payment option. All right, you have a payment option, you have a seller payment option. You can also put it here so that maybe we want people to pay online. If you put it here, let me go to my seller account. Let me go to my seller. Let me go to my seller. All right, let me go to my seller and then click get one of my products. Let me get one of my products. Okay. Hold on, guys. Let it open. Let me get one of my products and then copy the link. Right, this is just to build a simple sales page. All right, if not, I would have shown you how to build what's it called, collect payments on your own. Okay, so this is my course. All right, this is simple Amazon KDB for smartphone and laptop users. So let me get this, the truth about affiliate marketing. For example, let me just get the link. Let me view the public link. All right, so someone wants to pay. Let me copy this link. All right, someone wants to pay for this course. Let me just copy this. Let me copy this and go back here, change this target URL. I clicked here. Sorry, I clicked here, then come to this target URL. I'm pasting it. All right, then I'm clicking on what? Save. All right, I'm clicking on what? Save. So after reading all this stuff, the person wants to pay for this course. This is the front end. Let me refresh. This target URL will change. The person clicks here, get course now. It will take the person automatically to what? Seller. You can see it takes the person automatically. So once the person clicks on what? Buy now, clicks on what? Checkout, the person will enter his or her name, email address, and then pay now. Let me just say maybe let me put my email. Let me say talk with digicreators at gmail.com. Then okay, this is the name. Copy. Let me paste the email here. Then name let me put name digicreator. Take time and watch this video, guy. Then you click on pay now. As you can see, it will take the person automatically to what? Pay out. So you have automated your payment system. You just be in your house and then your money will be what? Breathing. So once this loads up, it will show the person access to what? Pay. All right, it will show the person what? Access to pay. So I'm going back. All right, I'm going back. Let me go back. All right, so that is just it, guys. So let me go back to the front page, back page, sorry, where we are. So this is how you build your simple sales page. You build your simple sales page, and then this is what the URL, your URL that you now use. Understand? Remember here, this is the permalink that it generated. It is this link now, which is this digicreator.com/FALAP. That is what you will now use to run your Facebook advert. All right, so this is just it, guys. I think I've spent so much time in this video trying to explain to us how to build a simple sales page. So here as well, let me also come here. You see this place, you can put the company name. You can just come here. All right, put something like digicreator. All right, all rights reserved. Then this privacy policy, if you want to put privacy policy, you can do that. Just for me, this is just a simple sales page. I don't think I'll teach that privacy policy. There is how to generate privacy policy, and then you add a link and then put it, then disclaimer. You can just delete these ones. You can just delete this one. Delete. No, sorry guys, no, just this. Want to delete this, okay, delete this. Then digicreator current year. All right, can put digicreator. All right, digicreator. Now leave this current and year. It will automatically update itself. Just click on save. Right, click on save, or you just come here as I put the year 2023. all right, then click on save. So everything you are doing If you come to the front page and then you refresh, come to the front page and you refresh, you will see everything that you're what doing. Understand? As you can see, DG Creator, current, DG Creator, all reserved. So I need to change this. All right, I need to change this. Let me come back here, put something like maybe say something like maybe May. So this is automated. It will be changing itself. Once you go to 2023, it will change to 2023. Once you go to April, it will change to April. It's automated. That's how it is. Click on refresh. You see that everything you did is coming out what here. So you can see this is what a simple what sales page. Come over to this your backend. Remember, this is backend. All you are doing is now showing on this permalink. This is your link. All right. So you can see this. So this is how to build your what simple what sales page. Just be creative about it. Just be creative about it. Thank you, guys.